Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of fasting tracker. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about fasting tracker and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. And here we'll search about fasting tracker. And if you find update in this blue sign, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.